What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And before we jump into the video, I want to just show you guys my numbers as far as who's subscribed and who's not subscribed. Only 22% of you guys are subscribed. So right now, I'm gonna give everybody a chance to hit that sub button. Um, Hit that sub button. Make sure you guys get my notifications, and when I drop new videos, new content, new sales update, new news, new breaking stuff that's just coming on in merch. So yeah, hit that sub button, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Oh yeah, make sure I tell y'all happy Mother's Day weekend, and make sure you guys go crazy for your moms, cause you know what I'm saying. She the one that put you here anyway. So without further ado, so these are my numbers for this week. Um, I can definitely see some ramping up coming here in the future. Um, it's really about momentum. I can tell, like, once I start heating up, um, it just starts going crazy. So today, let me make sure. So today I made 3 sales. I've been sitting on the page too long, so it's doing this weird shit. But I made 1185 today. So the new thing that I'm doing now is all my shirts vary from 17.99 to 9.99. All the new designs I put up, I haven't went back and changed all the other ones that were 13.07 because it'll take too much time, and I'm just so putting all my energy into making as many designs as possible because of the new merch rules. And so far, my my dashboard hasn't changed yet, so I've still been able to upload 25 a day, which I've been taking advantage of that and making sure I delete all the different product types besides standard t-shirts, just waiting for the new dashboard to change. And so I have as many designs up as possible. Um, I've been so far, like, since the last time I talked to you guys, I've been uploading in the same niche. When I was telling you guys, I wanted to enter some niches that I actually felt passionate about, ones that I actually, don't get tired of creating designs for. And I've definitely been ranking some new shirts. Um, it's been going pretty good so far this week. Um, I definitely know this month should be good for me. I just put out a shit ton of new designs. So hopefully those hit hard. Um, so yeah, let's look at this week. Actually, let's go to the whole breakdown thing. 7 days. So yeah, it's been pretty much 2-1, 2-2, 1-1, 3 today. Hopefully I get, another one in before the day's over. Should be nice. My average royalty is 253. It would be a lot higher, but the shirts that's been selling is one of my number one sellers. That is just literally a one word text shirt, but anytime I raise the price for it, it stops selling. So I might as well just, might as well make something off of it, or I'm gonna let somebody else take my spot on the first page because I want to overprice. So sometimes that's what you gotta do. Um, Average 380 a day. So far, it's just been standard T-shirts in two Apple cases, which I have been experimenting a lot with lately. In the beginning, all I ever did was standards and hoodies, because that's just what worked for me. So, um, just one thing I always stress is to keep testing things. You never know something that you haven't tapped into that might work for you. So, test a little bit of everything, see what works, and then pivot your game to work best for you. Um, so so far, 50% black, and then one of each of these colors. Um, this is my number one royalty shirt. It's sold 2 times this month already. Hopefully, it gets back traction, gets back on the first page of this very competitive niche and how I was killing it. You know, selling 45 of them a month before. So hopefully, I get that back going. Um, let's go to sell. So yeah, this is the shirt I said one word text. It's on the front page. But like I said, every time I up the royalties, it stops selling. So I just keep it there, whatever. And then this is my number one royalty shirt. And then let's see, what's this? And these are all in a niche that I just started entering. When I told you guys I wanted to enter some niches that I'm passionate about, so they've been selling already. Um, what's this? This is something I never sold to. Something I was posting when I was doing my 1307. Just trying that out and seeing if I could sell more like that, which I probably won't do again unless I'm like really close to a tear up. But everything's changing, so you know you gotta pivot to new strategies to work best for you. But right now, so how I've been pricing all my products, if it's something I purchase off Vexels, because I use Vexels and a couple other places to get my designs. And if you guys want something that you can outsource designs to, go ahead and grab Vexels, and I'll make sure I put that in the description if you guys want to check that out. I'll probably do a review on that, a little later. But yeah, so all the designs that I have that are off Vexels that are somebody may else have, I put those at 17.99, and then all of the designs that I make from scratch, I put 19.99, because the way I look at it is like, if I got it off Vexels, then there's probably somebody that has it at 13.07 that I'm competing with, trying to get their first sale. But when I'm making a design for the first time, I want 19.99. So, um, I've been watching a lot of other channels, and of course reaching out to a couple of my peers that I done put on with this, and you don't be afraid to raise your prices. Especially where you get um, kind of in the middle of your tier and you're not so worried about tearing up right away. Um, press up your prices. See what happens. Just keep testing. Keep testing. You know, um, I feel like I'm selling consistently as if I had them at 13.07 lately. So I guess it's just all about finding the right niches, high paying niches, high traffic niches. Um, so yeah. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. I'm over here getting lit. I ain't gonna cap. Over here celebrating some other wins, some other victories. Um, I'm glad to see the channel's growing. I'm starting to have haters and shit. That's when I knew the channel's starting to grow. You get haters and shit. People thumbsing down it. People writing me crazy shit. It's crazy. But we gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep showing y'all my journey. Y'all keep watching. Hope this shit motivates you to keep going. Um, and yeah, y'all hit the motherfucking sub button. Take a shot for me tonight, and I'm gonna take a shot for y'all. And let's toast to the future and in our journey. But till next time, man.